Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cheap golf club sets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a budget-friendly way to upgrade your game, you can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Real Spring Backyard Golf Club Set. Now, this set stands out because it's designed specifically for casual backyard practice, making it perfect for beginners, families, or anyone looking to have fun while refining their skills. It features an adjustable golf club that can be customized to fit golfers of different heights, which is a thoughtful touch for versatility. The package includes a golf club, 3 practice balls, and 3 tees. While it's not a complete golf set, it's great for smaller-scale games and training sessions. The build quality is practical for its intended use. The lightweight metal shaft and plastic club head are sturdy enough for casual play while remaining safe for indoor and outdoor practice. The rubber grip is textured for a comfortable, non-slip hold, which is a bonus for those just starting to learn proper swing mechanics. However, this set isn't designed for professional or advanced golfers. It's more of a fun, recreational option. In terms of value, this set is ideal for families or anyone looking to introduce golf in a low-pressure, fun environment. The lightweight design and adjustable shaft make it very portable, so it's easy to carry to the park, backyard, or even indoors. The downside? It's not going to replace a full set for serious on-course play. But for its price point and purpose, it delivers exactly what you'd expect. Pros include its adjustability and beginner-friendly design, while the cons are its limited use and lack of advanced features. Coming in at number 4 is the Real Spring 4-pack 36-inch Backyard Golf Club Set. This is another excellent option for backyard practice, but with a bit more to offer than the previous entry. The set includes 4 golf clubs, 8 practice balls, and 8 tees, making it a more comprehensive package for family games or group practice. The oversized club heads are a standout feature, making it easier for beginners to hit the ball and build confidence. The design focuses on durability and ease of use. The aluminum shafts are lightweight yet sturdy, and the plastic club heads are robust enough to handle repeated use. The rubber grips have a non-slip texture, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold during practice. One of the highlights is the realistic feel of the clubs, which aim to mimic the sensation of using professional gear, albeit at a simpler level. This is great for those who want to practice their swing mechanics without committing to a full set. This set is perfect for casual players, families, or those looking to enjoy some lighthearted golf practice indoors or outdoors. The oversized heads and lightweight design make it especially forgiving for beginners. However, it's not suitable for actual course play, and the materials, while durable, are not on par with professional-grade clubs. Overall, it's a great value for its intended audience, with pros including its family-friendly design and comprehensive package, and cons being its limited scope and non-professional build. At number 3, we have the Golf Putter by G. Mealy. This product is a bit of a different take on a budget golf club set, as it focuses solely on putting. The set includes a 2-way adjustable putter, a golf ball, and a cup with a flag, making it a great choice for indoor practice, casual putting games, or even as a gift for golf enthusiasts. The adjustable shaft allows players to customize the length from 21 to 37 inches, making it suitable for users of all ages and skill levels. The build quality is solid for the price. The stainless steel shaft is durable, and the rubber grip offers a comfortable, non-slip hold. The putter head is made from a rubber-coated material, which ensures it can withstand regular practice while remaining lightweight. While it's not a full-featured putter like you'd find in a complete golf set, it's perfect for casual practice or for those looking to focus on their short game. This product shines in its portability and ease of use. It's ideal for anyone looking to improve their putting skills at home, in the office, or even in the backyard. The adjustable design and included practice components make it a versatile choice. However, it's not suitable for on-course use, and those seeking a more traditional putter may find it lacking in heft and precision. Pros include its adjustability, portability, and beginner-friendly design, while cons are its limited application and non-traditional build. Securing the number 2 spot on our list is the Precise M5 Men's Complete Golf Clubs Package Set. This set is a fantastic option for beginner to intermediate players who want a well-rounded, affordable set to start their golfing journey. It includes a 460cc titanium driver, a 3-wood, a hybrid, 5 PW stainless steel irons, a putter, a deluxe stand bag, and 3 head covers. The variety of clubs ensures you have the right tool for every shot on the course. The design and build quality of the Precise M5 set are impressive for its price range. The driver and fairway woods feature titanium components for durability and improved distance, while the irons offer good control and precision. The mallet-style putter is well-balanced and comes with an aiming mechanism for better accuracy on the green. The stand bag is lightweight yet durable, with multiple compartments for your accessories and essentials. Performance-wise, this set delivers excellent distance and forgiveness, making it ideal for players still refining their skills. The clubs are forgiving on off-center hits, which is a huge plus for beginners. The lightweight design also makes it easy to carry around the course. However, advanced players may find the clubs lacking the fine-tuned performance of higher-end sets. Overall, the Precise M5 offers exceptional value for its price, with pros including its comprehensive set, forgiving design and quality build, and cons being its limited appeal for advanced players. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Callaway Golf Men's Strata Complete Set. This is the best all-around option for budget-conscious golfers who don't want to compromise on quality. The 12-piece set includes a driver, 3-wood, 5 hybrid, 6 to 9 irons, pitching wedge, putter, stand bag, and 2 head covers. Designed for maximum performance, this set is perfect for players looking to take their game to the next level. The build quality is where Callaway truly shines. The 460cc forged driver features a large sweet spot and a titanium head, offering incredible forgiveness and distance off the tee. The hybrid is an excellent alternative to long irons, providing confidence and versatility. The stainless steel irons are designed for a balance of forgiveness and control, while the mallet-style putter features alignment aids to improve accuracy. The included stand bag is lightweight and durable, with ample storage and a modern design. Performance-wise, the Strata set is a step above the rest in this price range. It's forgiving enough for beginners, while offering enough precision and quality for intermediate players. The clubs feel premium, and the set includes everything you need to hit the course right away. However, it's the most expensive option on our list, which might deter those strictly looking for a budget set. Pros include its premium build, comprehensive set, and excellent performance, while the main con is its higher price point compared to other options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.